Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to update software version on your headphones SOUNDCORE P201. You have to start by open the application and now go to settings at the right top. And right here we have update firmware, so click on it, download, and then click install. Now do not use your headphones, just wait until the update is finished. And then click OK. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!